Hi everyone, welcome back to Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'll be guiding you through how to sign in or log in to your Yidio.com account. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive in straight into the video. Start off by open a web browser and go to the search box and type in Yidio.com and press enter on your keyboard. Soon after you do that, you'll end up in the official site for Yidio. Go ahead and click on the sign in button at the top right hand corner, which will then take you to the sign in page. In order to log into Yidio, you'll need to enter your email address and your password. If you've signed up using your Facebook account, then you can do the same right here. Simply click on sign in with Facebook, enter your Facebook account's credentials to log into Yidio with Facebook. But if you've chosen the email option while signing up for Yidio, you'll need to do the same here. Go to the first text box where it says email and type in your correct email address. On the next field, type in your correct password for your account. If you don't remember your password, you can get help by clicking on the forgot link and follow through the password reset process. After filling in both of the credentials, click on I'm not a robot box, and if you'd like the system to remember your credentials for you, make sure to check this little box beneath. If you don't want to do that, since you're using a public or shared device, leave it unchecked and click sign in, and you'll be able to log into your Yidio account. So that's how it can be easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.